How to reduce body fat in 4 easy steps. There are no shortcuts to shedding your body fat, but the benefits of doing so are tremendous. If you're watching this in the hope of finding a series of fat loss body hacks - perhaps discovering that the secret of losing weight lies in eating a little more of a particular spice or drinking a special tea, then prepare to be disappointed. Reducing your body fat is an admirable goal and an eminently achievable one, but it takes a fair bit of commitment. There isn't a quick and simple trick to it. You've got to eat a healthy diet, get moving, sleep well, and look after your mental health. Here are the 4 easy steps about eating that change your life. 1. Eat in line with what you're doing that day. Your diet should adapt to how active you are each day, rather than eating the same amount no matter what you're doing. Strip it back to the fact we're effectively machines and we have to fuel our daily lifestyle. Think about what you're doing on this day and what fuel you need. Proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are the fuel, and you can't afford to take on too much because if you do, you're going to store the excess as body fat. If you're going to have a particularly active day, then you might need a bit more, but if it's been a day at home, then you can't really afford to have things like sweets, chocolate, crisps, the processed foods we snack on that don't really have any nutritional value. Get moving any way you can. Any sort of exercise will help. For many people, it's about just spending a bit more time being active. The evidence shows that breaking sedentary behavior is the best thing you can do. Even if you can just do a 20-minute walk in the evening before your dinner each night, that would be a positive thing. If you're really short on time and want to maximize the effect of your workouts might be the way to go. There's evidence that more bang for your buck in terms of time. So if you only have 20 minutes, then try doing something at a higher intensity. There's no excuse for saying you're too busy, because we've all got 20 minutes, haven't we? 3. Teammates will help. Getting together with other people who are looking to lose weight or lower their body fat percentage can be helpful, whether it's to play sport or just talk about your approach to fat loss in general. Consider joining a local sports club, or just find someone else with the same interests or goals and do it with them, and you're more likely to sustain it over time because you don't want to let anyone else down. If you just sign up to a gym, you've got to be really motivated, because you have no one to let down but yourself. GPs are going to start seeing patients with diabetes as a group. The dietitians already do that, and there's a lot of evidence for the effectiveness of group therapy. We're all in it together. People are facing the same problems. 4. Make time for your meals. It's not good to bolt down your dinner down in 5 minutes in front of the television. It's not good for the gut, for the absorption of the nutrients. Go back to sitting at the table. Try to make the meal an event. That's better for the gut and also allows us to recognize the food we've eaten. A lot of people bolt their dinner down so quickly that they're soon looking for something else, because they haven't thought about what they've just eaten. And then 20 minutes later we realize we've overeaten. Some people are doing that 3 times a day every day. So take your time to eat healthy food and start walking and exercising every day. See what happens to your body. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.